How to print A to Z in JavaScript. First, you need a for loop. For let I equals string lowercase a dot char code at 0 I less than or equal to string z dot char code at 0 I plus plus. The char code at 0 returns the numeric value of the character at index 0 in the string, so we are converting a and z to a number for the sake of the for loop. Inside the for loop, console.log string dot from char code of the loop counter. What string dot from char code does is it converts the number back to the character it was initially. Like and subscribe to learn more.